Hi there, this is Porthleven. I just took a trip out here because it's high tide tonight and it's supposed to be quite a good one. We've got a storm coming in, so just wanted to see if there was any spectacular waves like we've been getting down here at Porthleven. So let's have a look. Here's the harbour and the boats are all bobbing up and down a bit. It should be about high tide at the moment. It's about 5ish. And there's a walkway over there, but that lady's having a bit of a job to get onto it because the tide keeps coming in. Not where she's trying to get to. Never mind. Let's go on a bit. It looks as though everyone else has got the same idea. Because everyone's coming down to have a look at the high tide. It's quite a spectacular thing. That's a choppy harbour. I wouldn't want to be bringing a fishing boat back tonight. I think they're all well aware and all tucked up in the harbour. This is only 2 or 3 days after Storm Kathleen, when it was very similar. Now tonight we've got a high tide and also high winds of up to 60 miles an hour. So it's kind of whipped it up a little bit. Let's go around a bit. Yeah, that's the harbour walkway, which is probably not a good idea to walk on unless you want an early bath. Whoa! Even then, I've got the back of my head wet. Whoa! Okay, that was a wet one. A good statue of 2 old fishermen. And the terraced houses. And what everyone thinks is a church, but it's not. I thought I would escape the onslaught being on this top deck, but I still got soaked, and so did the camera. So I've dried it down with tissue and I'm hoping for the best. But it is quite a precarious place to be, as you can see. It's almost like it's got it in for me. Travel along and see how the pier's doing. Looks like it's already been here. It's a bit wet. Feels a little bit safer back here. See, they've got the gate across on the harbour to protect the boats. I think the tide's on the turn at the minute, so it's just a bit choppy, but not quite as dramatic as it was half an hour ago. Don't think we'll go for a paddle tonight.
No.
Somebody got a free car wash. I don't have a chance going around the corner. On my luck, I'm just going to go around there just as another wave comes over. Well, I braved it and came around this side. Hopefully won't get wet, but you never know. It's still being a bit angry. As you can see, the pier is getting a good lashing. It's quite a bit windy around this side as well. We're sheltered in the harbour. There's some big waves coming in. I don't think anybody will want to be surfing tonight though. Craziness. This is what the big building is actually for. It's Porthleven Town Council with a big town clock. And it's been beaten by the waves a few times. There we go. Coast Guard decided to close the road off. We don't like people getting wet in Cornwall. I don't think anyone's going to go far enough to get swept into the sea, but you never know. Some silly people about. From all the concrete on the road, I think part of the sea wall's been broken. So that'll have to be cleared. There's still been people driving over it though. It's all looking busy. Oh, that's a good one. The size of those waves. The yellow storm warning is from 4 this afternoon until 6 in the morning, so I think this might carry on for a few hours. Oh yeah, looks like they all took a chunk out of the wall there. Some repairs to be done. Oh, that's quite high. Wow. And wow. That's a boiling cauldron, isn't it? It's like a firework display, but with water. Wow. Don't think I'll be going for a paddle tonight. Crikey. There's no wonder the wall gets broken when it comes smashing into it like this. That's brightening up over there. Don't tie your boat to the pier. She might find it's gone in the morning. Oh, I missed that one. Just watch the road. Oh, that corner really gets it. Have that. Phew. Well, with that, I think I'm going to wander off and go and get some dinner. Any more big waves for us before we go? Yeah, not too bad.